Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. So I have decided that I will make this small presentation for new users plus for old users. Monday I'm going to have an open live session for anyone to join, and you're free to come in, check how I'm trading, all this good stuff. So let's take a look at some of my results. Pocket option result is not 100% only trading manually. For the ones that follow me, they know I've been running a binary option robot. So some of the trades lately have been with that. The $100 trades is manual trading done by me. Some of this that start with if you go down, I can go down here. Let's go here. Let's see here now. Let's take the last month. No, let's take the year. Let's take the year. Let's see. Take from there. And let's take to today, apply. So the robot started with $15. You can see some losses here, but he used martingale, so he won in the end. But by the way, we can see how much money I have made. I'm trading live every Monday on Pocket Option for the ones that have interest about that. So the win rate don't look so good because of the robot, but still you can see I have a trading profit of $2,604 here. I've been trading live here now for 2 years also. This one have not billed so much because I don't trade so often on Pocket Option. But this is all done live. I traded from $100 up to 48,563. I was thinking about doing Forex videos on this platform, but it was too terrible. I put in MetaTrader 5, and I put like 1,100 in MetaTrader 4 also. But the spread is too big on this broker, so you basically do not trade Forex on Pocket Option. Don't work. It's terrible. So don't trade Forex here. Works very good with binary option, but with Forex, just skip it. It's terrible. Now the other broker, this one I will trade open with in Monday. So you can see here, I always start with $100, and sometimes I raise it up to 200, but 200 is my max bid. Okay. Here also same deal. I build it up with $100 up to 88,000 now. All this done live over the last 2 years. So you can see all this trade I've taken. You see every single day come here. Do I have 100% win rate? No. If someone come and tell you that I have a 100% win rate when it comes to binary option, they're full of garbage. My win rate, if I calculate from the start, I started with $100 2 years ago, is around 70-75% win rate I have. Lately this year, my win rate is a little lower. Yesterday, for example, I think I had like a 69% win rate. So yeah, yesterday was Friday. Yeah. So that was the last. Here you can see. Yesterday. I did just the $200 trades. I think I made. Let me see. Here you see the trades I did. I think I made around $500 yesterday. So pretty cool. So if you want to join me, you're free to do so. There will be a free open for everyone to see. And you can just, if you are from one of the other platforms where I will post this, just send me a message and I will send you a link to my YouTube channel so you can follow me on Monday. Then you can decide if you want to trade together with me after that. Completely up to you. So that, have an amazing day, and I hope I see you in Monday.